Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to use AI to generate viral hashtags for Instagram posts. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by identifying the theme or topic of your Instagram post, like travel, food, or fitness. Open ChatGPT and type a prompt like, generate 20 trending and viral hashtags for a travel photo. ChatGPT will give you a list of hashtags tailored to your post theme. To optimize reach, copy these hashtags into Google Sheets. You can create columns for hashtags, popularity, and engagement score. You can then ask ChatGPT to analyze which hashtags are likely to get the most reach by using a prompt like, sort these hashtags from most to least engaging for Instagram travel posts. For even better result, combine a mix of trending hashtags with niche hashtags to reach both broad and specific audiences. This is for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.